As much as it may pain you to have a tree removed from your property, there are many instances in which tree removal is necessary. For the best Garland Tree Removal Company, you've come to the right place. The experts at DFWTreeRemoval.com have the experience you need for all of your tree removal needs. If your trees become a nesting ground for decay-feeding insects, it is likely that the tree is already dead and is a hazard. That tree could drop branches, may easily uproot in a storm, and is providing a haven for pests to multiply. DFWTreeRemoval.com will provide you with professional and cost-effective tree removal in Garland. Tree removal can easily go wrong if not performed correctly. A professional Garland tree removal specialist will know the right methods for removing unwanted or damaged trees. DFWTreeRemoval.com offers affordable tree removal in Garland that are performed by highly skilled professionals. To have a dead, diseased, or dangerous tree removed from your yard, contact DFWTreeRemoval.com today. Call 214-556-5079 or visit DFWTreeRemoval.com for more information.